PYG is a professional linear guides manufacturer. In straightness process, we straight the linear guide, a hydraulic press to keep it less than 0.15 mm, and correct the torsion degree of reel by torque correcting machine within less than 0.1 mm. When doing punching work, the hole diameter should not exceed 0.15 mm. The tolerance of through-hole diameter is 0.05 mm. The coaxiality of the through-hole and the countersunk hole should not exceed 0.05 mm. And the orifice inverted angle should be the same without burrs.